Today I am going to show you how to solve this triangle cube. In this triangle cube they have three corners. They move to the right side and to the left side. Now in the triangle cube they have three edges. Those are this one, this and this. So now let's start to unscramble this so we can solve it. Let's even though unscramble the corners. So now it's unscrambled. Let us first do one color. Let's do yellow. First, let's find the yellow corners. There is one of the corner over here. So I said that we are going to do the yellow corners. So let's first find the yellow corners. There is one of it. So in the middle edge should be attached to the corners. This middle piece should be, we have to find this middle piece. Here it is. Let's just move this corner this side. So let's again twist this to the area which we started. Now let's find the second yellow corner. If the middle piece of the yellow corner is here, means the yellow corner is also here. Let's twist it over here and it's here. Let us find the third yellow corner with the middle one. It's over here, but the middle one's over here. Let's twist it. Now it's done. So we have kept two of the other corners here. So this middle piece with the corner should be over here. So we cannot just take this piece to be over here. So let us twist this down. Now let's again twist the triangle piece up. Now here. Now if this one's here, every single yellow piece of this could go over here. Let's just do this side and now down to up. Now here all the three corner edges are here. Now we have to find these edges. Let's find. Here are the three edges. These three edges should be over here. So behind this yellow piece is behind this yellow edge is blue. So let's take this yellow edge to the blue area. Here's the blue area and here's the yellow piece. Now we have to face the blue to our side. So means if we keep it up. So this one is here. So let's do down, left, up and right. See, it's done. The first side is done. Let's do these two empty edges. The edge, yellow edge, one of it is here. This yellow edge behind one's pink. So let's keep this, take it out and keep it over here. Left, down, right. So it's here. Let us now take the take this yellow piece to the pink area. Here's the pink. Let's just twist it upwards. Now let us keep this facing little upwards to twist. Now let's do one formula. Let's keep this down. Now, down, right, up, left. And let us attach this pink mid. It's done, pink. But yellow isn't done. Let's now twist this left, down, right. Now it's here. Behind this yellow edge, what color is it? Let's see. It's green. Let's take this yellow edge to the green place. It's already in the green area. So let's also twist this one a little like this. Now we'll do again the same formula. Down, right, up, left. Here, see, now the yellow piece is done. Let's keep this yellow piece at the bottom. Now, there are 3 layers on this. The last layer, the middle layer and the first layer. Let's do the last layer first. The last layer should be not disturbed. The color should be always same, like this. It's already done. Let's see the other colors. Even this is done. And as well this is done because we had checked before doing the yellow piece, we checked what is the color behind the yellow edges. So we got the full color and the last layer is done. Let's do the middle layer. First, let's attach this pink middle piece with their corner to the pink area. Here's the pink. Let's just twist right side. It's done. It is to its place. Now in pink there are 2, in the middle layer there are 2 edges disturbed. Let's do, and the pink ones are here and here. We call this as L's. We'll call this as right L, this as well right L. Even this, if this pink is over here, we'll call it as left L. So, now let's keep this facing to our side and do one formula. That's close, close, open and open. Yellow's disturbed now. Let's fix the yellow piece. The same formula which we used before. Down, right, up, left. See, again the yellow is done. And now here, but still there is the 2 pieces disturbed in blue. Before it was in pink, now it's in blue. Now let's see what type of L's we got. We got this time left L. Here and here as well left L. Let's face these 2 disturbed pieces to our side. And let's do the same formula which we did before. Down, down, up, up. See, now 3 pieces are disturbed, the 3 edges. Again the yellow edge is disturbed. Let's again do the same formula which we used before when it's disturbed. Down, right, up, left. Again the yellow is done. Now correctly the 2 pieces again are disturbed in blue. But this time here in green right L came and in pink left L. It should come like this. One should be right L and one should be left L. So the 2 pieces are disturbed and their color came in our side. Let's do the same formula. Close, close, open and open. Now this yellow is disturbed. Let's use the same formula. Down, left, right, up, left. Now see, we have in this time, we have in every single color, the two edges are disturbed. Let's take one of the color. I'm taking blue. You take any other color. So I'm going to tell you one formula for this type. That is down, right, up, right, down, right and up. See the full cubes done. Thank you for watching. If you like it, share it and subscribe and click the bell button.